Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add extra options like color choices or custom text fields to your WooCommerce products. So let's begin by following these few steps together. The first step is to install Products Add-ons plugin. And to do that, you have to access your WordPress account. And to do so, just go to your navigator, open a new tab and search for WordPress. After the results appear, click on the WordPress website and log in using your account credentials. Now once logged in on your dashboard, you'll see that WooCommerce is integrated in here. Just fill in the informations, etc. and continue. Fill in these informations randomly. Select type of products, confirm, etc. And you'll have to pay for it. Now I'm gonna show you through saying the instructions to complete the task. Now after you go to WordPress, go to plugins right here. You can go to on the plugins on WordPress. Let's see them here in the left sidebar and search for WooCommerce products add-ons. Right here. There are a lot of plugins you can use. You can use the one you like. Now, in order to upgrade and activate the plugin, you have to pay for a WordPress subscription. Now, the second step is to add the options to your product. It is a product. Scroll down to product data and find the add-ons tab. Add feeds like drop-downs, text inputs, or checkboxes for customization. Now for the third step is to save and preview the products. Save your changes and preview the products page to see the new options in action. And that's it. That's how you add extra options to WooCommerce products. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.